Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use this. Yeah, this thing behind me, the green screen. I'm going to show you how to use this in Filmora. Welcome back to another tutorial, guys. I'm going to show you how to use a green screen in Filmora. So please hit subscribe and we'll get straight into it. I'm going to use a sample video I already have. And I have my green screen and footage already in the timeline ready to go. So this is my green screen. This is my recording.
Welcome back to our episode 5 of
So how do you get this to look like
other fun things that we come across? So hit subscribe.
Okay, so first thing you want to do is on the timeline, double click on the footage that has the green screen. And then you want to navigate to, under the video tab, AI tools, and you want to turn on your Chroma key. This is going to automatically take away the green that is seen. Now, if you have a blue screen, just simply change the color to blue. If you don't see the matching color, you can use this little icon here and actually click on the screen, the blue part of the screen, and it'll remove it. Once you've done that, there's a couple little things you need to possibly add to your video to make it look a bit better. So with my sample, I have a bit of patchiness on the left-hand side, which is due to lighting issues. And then on the right-hand side, my camera is filming part of the wall where the green screen doesn't cover. So there's a couple ways to fix these things. So let's just address this section first. This area here is adjusted by the offset. So if you go to your Chroma key, you'll see a number of options. Now I recommend to actually play around with these options so you can see what looks best for you. But to fix these little patches of light errors, you can just adjust your offset. So in this case, I'm going to increase it really, really high. If I go the other way, you'll see it do that. So what you can see for me is I don't have accurate lighting on this side, which at the time of the video that I filmed it, I couldn't fix it. So I moved myself a bit more to the right, which is why you can see part of the wall, which I knew how I was going to fix. So in your case, you might find that this will fix it, but if not, let me show you what to do. So I'm going to actually crop this. Couple ways to do this. First way, you can click on this button over here, which is your crop button, or just go LC, it'll come up. Now you can choose your ratio. I go custom because it's a base screen and it doesn't really matter the ratio size. Or you can leave it on whatever you want it to be, and you can adjust it to remove whatever section you like. This is one way to do it, but what I prefer to do is I go to the effects tab and I search for crop and I drag that to the video on the timeline. If you double click it and go to effects, you will see the effect now applied to that video. So on the left, I can just remove it, and on the right, I can just remove it, which is what works for my video. And in this case, I'm simply going to minimize this, put myself in the corner, and that will do it.
Hey guys, welcome back to our episode 5 of a survival series. Today we're going to finish our trade.
Perfect. That's exactly what you need to do. Now let's talk about lighting. As you can see, lighting is extremely important. Now I have a couple of these all across my area here. Not only to light my face, but to light the screen behind me. Now, this is the screen. I've got 2 of them placed together, so you can see the seam in the middle, and I've got them Velcro to the top and the bottom, and I got these from Kmart. So if you're in Australia, I bought these online at Kmart, and they're like 25 bucks each at the time that I bought them. So really cheap, really effective way of actually having a green screen. There are other solutions out there that might work for you, but this is what I've got.